Hi, I'm Casper and I'm one of the founders of LABFRESH, the most advanced menswear that repels red wine stains and body odor. If you've seen this video, it means you think our products are cool, but perhaps still have some doubts. So let's get rid of that, because we made a free test kit that you can order with just a few clicks. The box arrives through your mailbox, and inside of it you find a folder like this with fabric samples. One of the fabrics is our white twill business shirt. You can feel how soft it is and that there's no polyester, and that the technology does not affect the natural softness of the cotton. If you have some hard staining liquids in your kitchen like coffee or red wine, you can pour it on the fabric and you can see how it just stays on top of it, and that you can easily rinse it off with water like this, and then it's all clean. Inside of the folder we also have a fabric sample with our grey t-shirt fabric. It's stain repellent on the outside, just like the shirt, but on the inside it's also really good at hiding sweat stains. So if you pour water on it on the outside, then it goes off, and here on the inside it will be absorbing your sweat, so that on the outside you will remain dry and looking your best, and on the inside all your sweat is absorbed by an antibacterial fabric. That's all I wanted to show. If you're in doubt, go into LABFRESH and order this test kit, or ask us any question you want on this email address and we will help you out. And yeah, have a good day.